What's up, y'all? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make Crunchwrap Supreme. The first thing you're going to do is cook your meat down in a pan, and you're going to season it with some sazon, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and taco seasoning. While your meat is cooking, you're going to dice up 2 tomatoes. You're also going to cut up some lettuce. I bought it pre-cut, which is why you don't see me cutting any. Now that your meat is done, you're going to get a tortilla wrap, and you're going to add your taco meat, your lettuce, your tomatoes, your cheese. You could add Doritos or any chips of your choice, and then you're going to add some sour cream and wrap it up. Once you wrapped it up, you're going to put it in a pan with a little bit of oil. And when you take it out, this is how it should look. And this is the finished product. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one.